All right, Sporting Paddy. First, I will play through the tune slowly, and then we'll go through and we'll teach it. All right, so here we go. So it's got a lot of drama. It's a fun tune to play. So we're going to be rolling our A's and rolling E's. Okay. Now that opening phrase, bum ba da da. So it's bum ba da da. Now what I'm doing is I'm playing the A, then I'm cutting, then I'm tapping. And the effect is a triplet, right? So that's the opening phrase. Now, in the B part, we're going to be rolling an E. Now, when I roll an E, I cut here and I tap here. So you could just practice that for a while. Right. If you have brothers and sisters or parents that you would like to drive crazy, you say, my teacher told me to do this. Do that for a couple of hours, and you'll drive them crazy. And by the time you're done, you will also be able to do your rolls pretty well. So here's the A part of the tune. It's a very simple tune, but it's kind of hard to get in your head. So that's our opening phrase. Bum ba da da diddle diddle dum ba da da da. One more time. And then it keeps going. Again. That's basically the A part, because we're going to play that exact same phrase with a slightly different ending to end the A part. So here's the next part. So there you go. So let's play through. Let's play through the A part together. All right. So nice and slow. 2, 3. Now you hit that D, it's a nice strong note. And then you're gonna, I like a triplet to get into the B part. It's not necessary, but I like, so that's B, C natural, D. And when you go play that C natural, if you've watched my videos, you know this, the G is kind of slightly there before you get to the C. So it's, that was odd. That sounded awful, but if you do it fast, you get this little edge, this little crunch. So here's the B part. I'll play through the B part, and then we'll teach it. back to the A part. I love that descending run. That's really fun. So here's again, we'll start with the triplet to get up into the B part. And then it's G, E. Pretty simple. Next phrase. That D is really important in this tune. You kind of, the B part, you lean on that. So again, so that next phrase. Now there's a slightly different phrase here. We don't just repeat that. We go. Or. You'll hear it played both ways. I like. So you'll notice when I'm that. So I could go, but I like the sound of that tap there. Closing descending run, which I really like. And then right at the end. Sorry. That whole descending run together. Here's the whole tune. Modest pace. Now, you might have noticed that I was doing something different there. Instead of, I was going. Now, what I'm doing there is playing the A, then rolling. I'm separating them by stopping the air. But for now, simply, it's a lot easier at first. All right, Sporting Paddy. Have fun.